What's up everyone? It's been a month since I've last posted a video here. Apologies, but I had to focus on what matters for me, which is my architecture boards. And I must say that I'm currently an architect. I passed the architecture boards that was held last week, January 24 and 26. And thank God na napasa ko yung boards ko. Pero I'm not here, or this video is not for my architecture boards, but to finish the podcast that I did before. So I decided, diba sabi ko, magkakaroon ako ng 9 different videos to separate yung naging topics namin from my first video or the first podcast that I did with my friends. So there's a last one. I need to finish it for me to move on and to post different videos moving forward to this YouTube account. So on the last video, we have talked about me and my friends that were architecture apprentice and civil engineers. We have talked about what are we going to tell our past self, or I guess our younger self 2 years ago. So this is something na I guess you can check or to watch if you're still an architecture student, and to see ano yung naging difference namin, ano yung different mindsets namin moving forward and years afterwards, diba? This is something that you can ponder on if you're planning to continue this career of yours, architecture or civil engineer or anything that's related with, I guess, building, construction or whatever. And so check the video. What would you tell your past self 2 years ago? Yeah,
Okay.
Yun yung matama.
Yeah.
Sige, I guess mauuna na ako kasi since nasagot mo naman, parang may nag-spark sa utak ko. Parang, I think what I would say to my younger self 2 years ago is to always strive better siguro. Kasi parang ang daming nangyari during my college life. And then the pandemic happened. I was so parang lazy. Nasa point ako na lazy. Hindi ako naghanap ng trabaho din agad. Parang I took a break for myself. Like, wala namang masama dun. Although, parang way past before pa kasi. Parang I could have done better. Maybe, siguro. Although I have no regrets sa mga nangyari sa akin sa buhay. Pero maybe that's one thing I would tell my past self. Siguro. Always do better. Always strive to be a better version of yourself. Parang tumatak na rin tuloy yung sinabi ni Jake. Parang, yun nga, always be a better version of yourself. At saka siguro, in line with our high school motto nga, to do the better things.
Yes.
Parang, yun, kaya feel ko, yun siguro yung sasabihin ko sa past self ko. Always do better, ganun.
Ako siguro, may gusto na akong quotation ngayon kasi na nakasulat na ngayon sa ano ko. Which is, nalaman ko lang siya this year, or parang narinig ko lang siya this year, is, it may not be your fault, but parang it will always be your responsibility. So parang, di ba usually parang, like madali nating pwedeng i-victimize sarili natin. For example, may mga nangyari sa life natin na, for example, small things lang. For example, may nakita kang kalat dyan sa labas. Pero yun sasabihin ko, hindi ko naman siya kasalanan, ba't ko para pupulitin or something. Pero since nakita mo na siya, why not be responsible and yung parang do something. So parang sa akin ngayon, I'm just trying to be more accountable with the things that I'm doing. So kung pwede ko lang mas mapaaga yung learning ko na to, which is this year ko lang siya natutunan na maging more accountable, more responsible. Sasabihin ko siya dun sa younger self ko na at least be more accountable, be more responsible with the things that you're doing. Parang ganun lang.
Sabi, yung parang quote ng Nike na kahit cliche, just do it. Parang yung sinasabi niya na if alam mong makakabuti sa'yo, makatulong, you should really just do it regardless of the results. Kung good results, edi good, you benefited. If it's not, edi sa lesson learned. So that, and last but not least for me is parang don't dwell with my history. Parang may tendency kasi parang look back, parang personal lang na don't dwell. It happened and parang learn from it na lang.
Yes.
If you can.
Sa babayan, Phil.
Just do it!
Actually, just to add sa sinabi nga ni Ebreo, yun, actually connected siya sa sinabi ni Gerard nga, na parang it's better to do something than to do nothing.
Yes.
'Di ba? Yun. Parang yun, medyo dinerive ko lang yung quote na just do it. Yun lang.
Dubin.
Ano na to? Ender na to, Ender.
Ngayon,
Endgame.
yung sa akin, do it now.
Mm.
And
Now.
don't be perfectionist. Kasi parang being an artist or an
Creative.
junior architect, parang sobrang broad actually yung brain ko, parang sobrang daming gustong gawin. Parang hindi ko siya nakokontrol minsan eh. Tapos parang ang nangyayari na lang if hindi ko makontrol is matutulog na lang ako, masasad ako na bakit di ko ginagawa yun, ganun. So magdudwell na lang ako into social media. And ayun nga, nung pandemic, parang ayun, nag-focus ako sa self-development and self-growth, na parang need mo talagang i-schedule yun. Parang napag-usapan natin kanina na need mo i-schedule yung araw mo, and ang dapat mong gawin is, ayun nga, i-micro mo. Or kunwari,
Nakita mo yung Dubin nung 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Sabi niya, uy,
So-
future me, sabihin mo sa kanya.
Ang sasabihin ko sa kanya is, do it now and don't be perfectionist. Yun.
Mm.
Bang, bang.
Siguro, dapat alamin mo agad kung ano yung priorities mo. Yun yung sasabihin ko sa sarili ko. Kasi parang nag-defense ako, thesis defense ko 2020. Tapos naghintay ako ng 1 year. Nag-break ako, hindi ko ginalaw yung thesis ko. So, imbis na graduate ako ng 2020, 2021 lang ako gumalaw. So, like, tulad nga ng mga sinasabi niyo kanina, dapat hindi lang tayo naka-stand still. Dapat nag-move forward din tayo. And kanina may na-bring up na Dubin yung sa focus yung sa self-development, ganun. And while that's good naman, na kailangan mo nga mag-focus sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo rin kailangan mo maging contented sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kung ano man meron ka, ganun. Ang hirap maging contented kung wala namang ganap or wala namang nangyayari sa buhay mo, ganun. And noong 2021 kasi, ganun yung nangyari. Parang, lagi natin yung tatry sisihin yung pandemic dahil dito. Daming reason. Well, though valid naman yung iba, pero hindi naman pwedeng laging yun yung rason. Dapat ginagawa ng paraan. Alamin mo dapat priorities mo. Yun yung sasabihin ko yun sa kanya. 2 years ko. Kasi hindi ko na-realize late ko na-realize yung value na nung nagkaroon ako ng trabaho, parang sobrang fulfilling. Kasi rejuvenate, wow, yes.
Rejuvenate.
Oo, parang biglang lumiwanag yung buhay mo. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ka ng purpose sa buhay. Ganun. Maraming
Sige man ng glitter spirit.
Na-replenish.
Imbes na nakatambay ka lang sa bahay, wala kang ginagawa. Sabihin na, nung time na yun, lagi ko pang sinasabi to kay Gerard, parang, I'm all about myself. Puro ako ganun. Alam na Gerard yan. Oo nga, mahalaga nga yun. Pero dapat move forward ka din. Dapat alamin mo rin yung priority mo. And nung time na yun, hindi ko alam na kailangan kong priority ko graduate, priority kong maghanap ng trabaho.
Taking action, no?
Yung ganun.
Yes.
Ganun.
Parang nagre-revolve lang talaga siya sa lahat ng sinasabi natin, na parang yung sinasabi kasi ni Felix parang sinabi ni Phil, just do it. Tapos yung ako, do better. Si Dubin, parang don't be a perfectionist. Tapos parang yun, nag-rotate lang siya sa parang better to do something than nothing talaga. Na-related din sa sinabi mo, Gerard, and si Jake. Lahat may key points.
Hindi, sa akin, looking back lang 2 years ago, naalala ko, nagja-job hunting ako, ganito, ganyan. So, ang advice ko to my younger self would be, to look harder sa opportunities kasi though syempre kaya kasi ako naging QCA before is cause desperado lang mag-work. Pero looking back now, I think may better opportunities for me. If I were to try pa now, parang hindi na kaya. So, be patient sa sarili ko. Yun, look for better opportunities. I'm not saying na hindi maganda yung kung nasa ako now, of course. Pero, I feel like nako-compare ko lang sa Pero, ayun. So, ayun, be patient, be more firm, pati assertive, ganyan. And then, do...
Iniwasan talaga.
And then, ayun, doon na ako mag-end.
Ang ganda ng sinasabi niya.
And so I hope you've gained something from that video. That's the last part of our podcast. Pwede na ako mag-move on. And I'll be posting different content from architecture and still my career. Kasi of course, very, very fresh architect pa lang ako and I still have a lot to work on moving forward. Also sketching kasi I need to stop sketching because I had to focus on reviewing my reviews. Pero now, I can fully get back to it and to post art and architecture content for you guys. So if you are, interested in any of those things that I've said, you can comment down below, ask anything, or subscribe. So yup, just like always, focus on what matters, and I'll see you at the next one. Mwah!